Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to rename your bank transfer or bank deposit payment method into something like wire payments on 3 to 5 days. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. For renaming the bank transfer, we are using the Next Checkout Rules app from Shopify App Store. You can also check it from your Shopify App Store, or I also attached the link in the description and in the first comment of this video. After installing the app, open the app, you can create a new payment rule. So we are giving a name, rename bank deposit or bank transfer. And we don't have any conditions right now. So we are not giving any conditions. We only have one action. So action is hide payment method. Rename payment method. So first we give the name which already has. So we can just go to checkout and we can just copy the name from there, or it should be perfect if you can show me that. So this is the name we are given now. This is the bank deposit is the name. So we can give bank deposit as the current name. And we are changing that name into something like wire payments, right? For example, wire payments 3 to 5 days, right? And we are making it active and we are making it safe. Now the rule is successfully created and it's active. Now we can just go to our existing checkout and just reload the checkout. You can see the bank deposit name is changed to wire payments 3 to 5 days processing, right? So this way give a more idea and more information for people who are using bank deposit. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, and I also attached the app link in the description of this video and in the comment section. Thank you. Happy selling.